G'day. Today we're going to talk crap and our toilets. The options we have available, we have our skid mounted units which are placed in a position from the branch. We also have some trailer mounted units which you can take away yourself as long as you've got a suitable tow vehicle. The inside of these units are pretty straightforward. We've got the business end in the corner and we've got an integrated water tank pre-filled from the branch. This water is used for both flushing and hand washing. Now to operate the flush and the hand wash, it's a simple foot pump, a couple of pumps to flush your waste, and then also a couple of pumps to wash your hands. So if you want to designate the users for your particular toilet, just pull out the insert card, flip it over, and show the specific user group you want to display. Most toilets will actually have to be pumped out before they're returned to the branch. Kennards Hire can easily organise this as well. So a handy tip in helping figure out how many toilets you need to know three things. How many people are involved, how long you need them for, and whether alcohol is involved. If people are consuming alcohol, they'll need to use the facilities probably nearly twice as much. So if you've got 5 people on site, 1 toilet, 1 pump out every 2 weeks. So with 15 people on site, 1 toilet, 1 pump out each week. 30 people, 1 pump out a day. If you've got 50 or 60 people, 2 toilets, a pump out each day, and so on. So there you have just a brief introduction to our range of toilets. We've also got some specialty items such as fully accessible units. For more information, visit the website or give us a call. Just remember, when using the equipment, Kennards Hire recommends the use of safety products at all times. Be sure to use the personal protective clothing and equipment for each product hired, which are available at every branch.
Kennards make your job